Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Wistia account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find your share link to your Wistia webinar? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to find your Wistia webinar share link anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online webinar business, you might have created your first webinar in Wistia, but you're not sure where to find the share link to give to your audience. Whatever the case is a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Wistia dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Wistia account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to get your Wistia webinar share link, here on the left side, click on Live Events. Once you do that, you're going to see all of the events you have scheduled. You can see I have these two. Go ahead and click on the webinar that you need the link for. So for example, this one. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see the settings for your webinar. But to get the share link up here on the top right, you're going to click on share. Once you click on share, you're going to have these two options. So this is if you're going to invite your virtual assistant or assistant to help manage and host your webinar. But to share it with your audience, you're going to click here, share event links. Okay, once you do that, you're going to look for this one right here at the bottom, audience link. Click on copy link. Okay, now the share link to your Wistia webinar is copied to your clipboard, so you can easily just share that into your YouTube video, to a Facebook post, or wherever you normally share your webinar links. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to find your webinar link in Wistia, that's the easiest way I know how to find it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.